That dust that's flying is mold. Black mold. Hay's not worth anything. Can't save it. New seeding. Actually, some of this don't look bad, but a lot of it is caked. Like right here, you know, it's just black. A lot of it smoky black. So she's all done. So this got rained on, new seeding. Been rained on for like 5-6 days. So, 5 days I guess. I am surprised it got as moldy as it did this quick. There you go, look at that. That's mold. See that? So, gonna flip it up. It's sopping wet, get it up off the ground, and going to then mow it, rotary mow it, sharpen the blades, putting blades on the mower, the rotary mower, hook it to the white 260 and get rolling. Basically barely picking it up, but it's just the pickup of the baler just throwing it around and thrashing it. It's already been mulched once or twice with the brush hog. So on this field, this is a trefoil field and alfalfa. Subsequent passes, he's mulching it up really nice. So I'm all done. I just got a partial, very small amount here. I'm gonna back up the edge of the field, open up the tailgate and get rid of it. And I sure have had problems with new seeding alfalfa fields this year. From now on, I'm planting a cover crop. I'm sick of bush hogging this crap. Of course, this had nothing to do with the new seeding, except that it had some weeds in it, so I wanted to cut it by September 15th. So I pushed the envelope. If it was good thick hay, I never would have cut it when I did. Kind of gambled a little bit, and I lost. Getting the baler out, getting all that wet duff off the top of them belts in between the rollers. So yeah, this stuff was wet. I mean, it didn't even dry today. We've got a stretch of good weather coming up this next week. And I've got some third and fourth cutting alfalfa I'll get doing. And basically I only did like 3 round bales, but they were just partial bales. I didn't let them get the full size. And because this had been mulched and raked a couple times, mulched with the rotary mower, the pickup on the round baler basically just thrashed it and broke apart and blew the hay shaft all over the field. I was going pretty high speed and high RPMs, and so it did clean it up a lot. And yeah, well, see how this stuff grows this fall. See if I have a better crop. For today, I'm done.